Right, hello YouTube. We're just about ready. I've just got the oil cooler for the gearbox wired up temporary, and I think we've got everything ready. I haven't got water or anything in, so it's if it starts, literally be a quick couple of seconds, and then we'll call it quits. So just want to make sure nothing wires are touching, pumps working, fuel's full, carburetor's full. So unless I've got the timing wrong, we should be good to go. So let me just put you down over here. Right. I'm going to have a little bit of choke, just in case. Can you just pull the choke out there, mate? Down by the radio. Okay. Right. Go. Just push the choke in. Okay. Turn again. Go again. Again. I think that thing's sticking. But, excellent. Good job. Just turn the ignition on. Don't know whether the fuel ball's sticking. Excellent. Right. There we go. More later. Thanks for watching.